When I reached out to Gitanj, I was at a very difficult stage in my life. But when I did speak to Gitanj, a sense of security and safety was built. He is a great listener. That is something that was a big win for me. He always ensured that he is giving more than what was promised or committed. A coach will just speeden up that process for you and make it so much more easier for you. I just knew that there's someone who understood me and I'm not crazy. Whatever I said, I say it, and it has been impactful. And मैंने मेरे वो एक पोस्ट में भी लिखा है that I got a relationship coach.
आपको डाइवोर्स रिकवरी कोचिंग करने से पहले कैसा महसूस हो रहा था कि उस टाइम पे क्या स्टेट था आपका माइंड का एंड व्हाट वाज द सिचुएशन उस टाइम पर?
I'll be very honest, when I reached out to Gitanj, I was at a very difficult stage in my life. I was just literally just getting out of a divorce. Not even getting out, my separation had sort of just begun, and I was in an extremely painful and a dark place. I had no self-esteem, I had no self-worth. I didn't know what I'm doing in life. I didn't think that the decision that I had made was right or wrong. There were a lot of things that were troubling me, but when I did speak to Gitanj and we got on to multiple coaching calls, a sense of security and safety was built where I realized that it's okay for me to take the decision. He is a great listener. He will make sure that you feel extremely heard, and he will also make sure that you get the kind of clarity that you're looking for at the end of the day. And that is something that was a big win for me. Over the period of time, we developed such a good relationship, and he made sure that he does that, if there is any time, anything that is required, he would give his 100%, not just with what he has to say, but even in his time. Like, he is not like, oh my god, it's only this much time or that much time. He always ensured that he is giving more than what was promised or committed, and he made sure that I feel comfortable enough to reach out to him at any given point. And I am here today after a few months, reaching out to him again, and just having a very good conversation with him and getting a lot more clarity, but also sharing the growth that he has had and I have had. And I am extremely grateful for the way he is growing and the way he has so much to add value into your life. So if you are thinking that whether you should get a relationship coach,
will you recommend people who are going through divorce to go for coaching, like for divorce
100%. I think it's very important to, if you are going through a separation and if you're going through a divorce, please do yourself a favor and get a coach, a relationship divorce coach, who will help you get through that process easier and faster. Because if you think that you can figure it out, I'm sure you can figure it out, but a coach will just speeden up that process for you and make it so much more easier for you. So don't think that if you get a divorce recovery coach or a relationship coach, you don't know how to fix life. You know. And even if you don't know, it's okay. Reaching out and getting support is a sign of strength. So don't feel ashamed, just get it. It doesn't matter, because how you feel and how you grow in life is far more important than what people think of, whether you should get help or not.
On the scale of 1 to 10, how are you feeling before the session started?
I was in a shitty place. I think I was in a really bad place. I don't even know how to explain it in a 1 to 10. Like, I think I was minus.
And after the sessions, how are you feeling, like on the scale of 1 to 10? Divorce ke concept mein abhi, just in that aspect only.
I think I had a lot more clarity so easily. About a 8 is something that I felt, because I just knew that there's someone who understood me and I'm not crazy. So
on the scale of 1 to 10, if you can rate it?
8.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for this thing.
Thank you.